everywhere. Trader Joe's gone bananas. Dark chocolate covered banana slices. Keep frozen. And a monkey right there. So the price is $1.99. Round it $2 before I forget to mention the price. Trader Joe's gone bananas. Trader Joe's gone bananas. Trader Joe's gone bananas. Do not defrost. Just open and enjoy. My little monkey voice. Nutrition facts. Ingredients. Contains milk, soy, and coconut. But I believe it won't taste any coconutness. And product of Thailand. Ooh. Normally I don't really eat bananas because it's not really my favorite fruit. But although the Nesquik, the milkshake is a banana flavor, I like those types, not the fruit banana. I like things such as ice cream or whatever, even candy that are flavored bananas because they have a different taste than fruit bananas. Not a lot. I've never tasted this before. I don't know why I cut it that way. I could have ripped it that way. Let's open this package up. There you go. Just gonna eat one. I forgot to show it to you guys. I was gonna break it in half and show you half of it, but not bad. Yum. I'm gonna ask my dad to eat the broken one. Yummy. It's dark chocolate. I'm sorry for the little waffle. Normally, I don't really like to eat dark chocolate or mint chocolate. I normally milk chocolate or just chocolate. But this dark chocolate goes well with the frozen bananas. Actually, you guys can make this at home. I'm not sure if it'll work. But slice the bananas, keep them frozen. Melt dark chocolate, just cover it. Just kind of dip the bananas in and freeze it again. And chocolate will become frozen and you might be able to make this. Or if you guys don't like dark chocolate, you guys just melt milk chocolate or any type of chocolate you guys prefer for yourself, and coat it, and you guys can make a bunch of this because it's not a lot as I expected. I get it because the package is small. I get it. Get like 15,000 packages of this and you'll be able to feed the whole entire earth. I mean, I'm kidding. Anyway, subscribe and press the like button and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!